Welcome to Alpha Centarus. My name is Catherine Martin and I'm the CEO of the Alpha Centarus project. This planet has lush green forests, several mines, and beaches along the coast to the Jazican Sea. Walking is a common use of transportation in the cities, as well as biking and the use of scooters. Alpha Centarus is located in the Milky Way galaxy and is the closest neighbor to Earth. Now, for more information on the creation and the history of the planet, we go to the local historian, Evangeline Smith. Go.
Hello, my name is Evangeline Smith, and I am the historian for the Alpha Centarus project. Alpha Centarus is located in the constellation Centarus. It is the brightest star in the constellation that is visible from Earth. Currently, the planet and its two suns and moon are located inside the G cloud. Alpha Centarus is located in the Milky Way in the Orion spiral arm. In 1689, Alpha Centarus was first located in the sky. About 2 billion years before this, the planet was formed. People first arrived on Alpha Centarus in 2016. Scientists began to come to the planet to investigate the climate and oxygen levels. In the past 50 years, people have begun arriving on Alpha Centarus. The first people to arrive took nearly 1,000 years, but they started the population on the planet as well as built buildings and began businesses. Today, the capital of Alpha Centarus, Artemisia, is heavily populated. Towers and successful businesses are everywhere flourishing. Alpha Centauri A and Alpha Centauri B and Proxima are the stars that form the planet's light source, and Proxima is Alpha Centauri's moon. Proxima is the only moon and is a faint shape in the night sky due to a small amount of light. Alpha Centauri A and B are the small suns that light the sky. Alpha Centauri A is the first to rise in the day and first to set. Alpha Centauri B is the second to rise and last to set. Before the moon comes out, Alpha Centauri's closest neighbor is Luton, a trinary group of red dwarfs.
Thank you, Evangeline. Now, on Alpha Centarus, the energy is all produced by solar power. Outside of all the cities, there are small solar power plants that power the city they reside near. The people of the Alpha Centarus prefer the use of solar power to using electrical power. Now, we go to our lead researcher, Deanna Martin, who will be sharing the advantages and disadvantages of being found on Alpha Centarus.
Hello there, I am Deanna Martin and I am the lead researcher on the Alpha Centarus project. Since Alpha Centarus has two suns, extra light is brought down onto the planet. The extra sunlight allows for citizens to grow crops, but it also means that the citizens have difficulty sleeping due to the extra light. To fix this problem, we came up with a simple solution. At night, a large mirror reflects and the light back out into space. This allows the people to fall asleep more easily. The mirror is far enough between the suns, the planet has a large shadow is cast, causing a nighttime effect. The first people came to Alpha Centarus on generation ships. Generation ships were huge ships that were made to last. The generation part also means that the ship was very slow moving and multiple generations would live and die upon the ship before making it to Alpha Centarus. A newer way to transport the people was only found about 10 years ago. One way of the travel was highly experimental and first is now real. People can fly to Alpha Centarus on ships and then use warp devices to transport faster. This would also be the fastest way to transport people in case of evacuation if Earth was needed to happen.
Thank you, Deanna. Now here's how the daily lives of the people go. At sunrise, the people of Alpha Centauri wake up to begin the glorious day. Beep, beep.
I wake up in the morning, yeah, I wake up, spread a little crazy thing on love.
Commonly, breakfast is about an hour after the sunrise. Common breakfast foods are toast, cereal, eggs, bagels, pancakes, and French toast. During the school year, students leave their homes to go to school. During the summer, people are going to work or heading off to the beach or the airports. Lunch has begun, and street carts, sidewalk cafes, and restaurants are open from the lunch hour from 12 to 1:30 p.m. People return to work, back to classes, or back onto the beaches to relax and swim during the summer at 1:30. Many of the city's people return home from school, work, and beaches at 4 o'clock.
Many of the city's people return home from school, work, and beaches at this time. Adults begin to make dinner, students start homework, or practice their musical instruments or other talents. People sit down to enjoy some food.
Now, to tell us how the people will get to Alpha Centarus, we have, once again, Deanna Martin.
Now also on Alpha Centarus, there are high winds from the sun, heating the waters which cause severe winds. A solution was found to assist to this though. During times when the winds were high, wind turbulences were placed to create extra energy. This energy was backed up in case the solar panels were being repaired or broke. As well, the winds helped power water sources around the cities.
Thank you once again, Deanna. Thank you to everyone for watching this newscast. Please come and visit Alpha Centarus and have a glorious day.
What are you doing? This is a science video.
I'm sick!
I don't care. This is a science video. You're not supposed to be randomly dancing. You're in the kitchen.
So, what does it matter?